Vlogmas day 12. It is a very late start to Vlogmas. It is like 4:15 in the afternoon. I have on some skincare already, so just don't mind all of this going on right now. Today was just like yeah, it was like one of those type of days. I just really wasn't feeling myself this morning. I'm pretty sure you guys can relate to this. It's Tom. We're gonna start filming. I have to finish up actually a video that I started last week, and I have to kind of close it out for today. I'm gonna get ready and we'll see what makeup, we end up using today. Do you guys hear that? There's somebody jackhammering my neighbor's front yard, like right next to us. And I'm about to film and I can't film now. What bad timing. It is so loud. Today has been like one of those really trying days with filming. I had my mic volume turned all the way up so you literally can't even understand. Oh, sorry, you can't even understand what I'm saying because the volume is turned up so loud. It's basically ridiculously so loud. Hang on, let's go downstairs. So, I'm trying to salvage one of my videos and I still have to film the remainder of another review video. The one I was telling you guys earlier. Hang on a second, let's open the garage for the hubs. Oh, you are so sweet. Thank you, honey. I was craving, what are these? I was craving a cupcake and look at that, he's so sweet. He got me a cupcake. Ah, thank you. So we have a red velvet cupcake and then this is a strawberry patch cupcake. I'm not eating all of these right now, but I'm going to indulge in this red velvet. Then this one is called the raw gooey brownie. I wanted to share with you guys really quickly something that came in the mail. Ordered my pink beanie and it's here. Here's the pink beanie. I wasn't sure if it was like a blush pink or if it was gonna be like a light pink, and it's actually a blush pink, so it's perfect. I'm so happy when I received it. I was like, oh, it was just like the way how it was pictured, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Today was just like one of those days for me. I think another thing is that I didn't have coffee this morning. So if you have coffee every day, your body gets used to it, right? Maybe my body this morning had coffee withdrawals. But yeah, I haven't had an ounce of coffee today. So just with Tom and no coffee. The whole thing with filming, it was definitely just one of those days for me. So anyway, on a better note, it is that time for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. Day number 12. And here is day number 12's box. I hope you guys had a good day today. Today's tea, we have red velvet cake, which is so fitting because that's exactly what I had earlier. I had a red velvet cupcake. All right, okay, there we go. Ooh, okay. This is gonna be a good one. There is our perfect spoonful, which is spilling, but it looks like it has chocolate chip chunks in it. Okay, let's put this in here. Red velvet cake is a rich, creamy chocolate. Black tea, milk chocolate, white chocolate, sprinkles, natural and artificial flavoring, and this contains 5 calories. Let's get day number 12 with our chocolate. Day number 12 is right here. And we have a little drum. Let's go ahead and try our tea. Literally tastes like a red velvet cupcake. No joke. Time for our daily tea talk. Thank you guys so much for commenting your topics and questions. Today we're actually gonna go with Jojo and Juju. Hi Christine, any advice on starting vlogging channel? Take care, and as always, great videos. Hi Jojo and Juju, thank you so much for commenting. Best advice, just to do it. No, it sounds easier said than done. When I'm vlogging and I'm out in public, I just look straight at you guys, at the camera, and everything on this side, I really try to block it out. Although there are sometimes I can see things like going on in the background, like I don't know if people are like, you know, making funny faces or whatever, or sometimes I don't even notice it until when I'm editing the video. You just have to really block it out, capture that moment. At least you have the footage, you vlogged it, and then it's up to you if you want to use that content and put it in your vlog. And I know I'm telling you just to block it out as if, you know, it's nothing, but I think with time, it will get easier. In my opinion, I think it does take a lot of courage to vlog because not a lot of people want to be in that position where you are vulnerable and you are sharing your life and sharing where you're going, what you're doing, putting yourself out there to essentially be judged by others. And of course, everyone's got their own opinion, everyone's got their 2 cents to say about what you're doing, and you know, if it's a good idea that you're vlogging or sharing your life, everyone's always gonna have their 2 cents, but it's really up to you. Honestly, think, you know, go for it. Hopefully I stayed pretty much on topic. Eat our little drum set. I like this scene. We're gonna clean up this mess and then we're gonna hang up our ornament for day number 12. Let's hang up day number 12 right up here, this little area. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas day 12 here. Tomorrow is gonna be a very fun and exciting day. My mom and I are heading out. Hope you guys had a great day. Thank you guys so much as always for watching, for commenting. Don't forget to leave any topics, comments, questions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing Thursday, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 13. You're still here. Thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end of the video. There is a hidden giveaway in this video. Check the description box down below. There's gonna be this little smiley face, and right next to it there's a link. That link will take you to the landing page of the giveaway. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.